Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, remove black boxes on desktop icons Windows. Type File Explorer options in Windows search bar, click File Explorer options. Click View tab, check Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, click Apply, click OK. Right-click Start button, click Run, type %local up data %, click OK. Delete IconCache.DB file. Restart system. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.